to our social session. Now we have to complete our first lesson, mapping, making maps and mapping, reading maps and making maps. Then second one is that globe. Is that second lesson name is globe, model of Earth. Yes, what is the globe? We can call that it is a model of Earth. It shows shape on Earth and the lands and water, the continents, oceans, on the countries in the world. Yes, it is shows the shape of Earth. See, look like this. Look at the children. We have one globe in you. See, I am showing to this is the it is moves their axis around it. See, it is moving in their axis. These are the poles, north and south poles. This is the Earth moves around it, and it is that so many countries, continent, oceans. There no, it shows. See, it is the blue color indicated the water. There are different types of colors indicated their continents, and it shows us to shape of the Earth. Yes, we know that in that Earth the globe also have latitudes, longitudes. Yes or no? Axis, internet, poles, apex, hemisphere, and spatial. The shape of Earth is that globe, rounding shape. We know that what is the latitude? It is the latitude means circles line. It is called circle line. What is the longitude? That is semicircle. Semicircle is called longitudes. You know that international date line. What is that? That is that 0 degree longitude. That is called 0 degree longitude is called international date line. Okay, now children, do you know that axis, that an imaginary line through the center of an object around which the object runs? Axis is called that when an imaginary line through the center of a object around which object runs. That is called axis. You know that internet, that is you know very well there is internet going on these days. That is international computer networks connecting other networks to the computers from the companies, universities and etc. This is called internet. And poles, you know that now I show to here that model of Earth globe. This is the North Pole, this is the South Pole, and the poles is that about 2 points, that is the opposite end of the Earth. One is that North and South. And next to that apex, you know that what is the meaning of apex? Means the top highest part of something. The top highest of something. The part is called apex. And hemisphere, the half of Earth is called hemisphere, and spatial, that shaped like a sphere. Sphere means globe, round. Is called sphere, and that latitudes and longitudes to connect to the globes. It is connected to the total globe. And you know that equator. What is that equator? That 0 degree latitude. What is that IDL? That 0 degree latitude. That is, it is 0 degree latitude. Do you know the difference? That international date line is that 0 degree longitude. That equator means 0 degree latitude. That is longitude. This is latitude. Yes. That we know that now we have to know what are the latitude. That is that circular shape. What is the longitude? The longitude means semicircle. That international date line is called 0 degree longitude. What is that equator called? 0 degree latitude. That is longitude. This is latitude. 0 degree latitude is equator. 0 degree longitude is called international date line. Apex, that What is that imaginary line through the center of an object is, which is object is that ramps, that is the axis, and apex means the top of or highest part of that something is called apex. Poles, the poles are 2 points of the opposite sides end of the earth is called poles. One is the north and south pole, north pole and south pole, 2 poles are there. And next we have to know what is that globe contain. What is the globe contain? Yes, it contains, it shows total oceans, countries, continents, where it is the states, it's all things located itself. That how you know that what is the continent, so how many continents are there, you know that what is there, 7 continents are there, yes, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South and North America. Yes or no? South and North America. South Africa, South America, North America. Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America, North America. How many continents are there? There are 7. Very good. 7 continents are there. Next, what is the hemisphere? That the area between the equator and the north pole is called that northern hemisphere. What is that? The area between the equator north pole is called northern hemisphere. It known as north of the equator. It known as the north of the equator. There are 90 latitudes in it. And Tropic of Cancer is that 23 and half northern, 23 degrees of North Pole. It lies on it, the Arctic Circle, 66 and half degrees Northern Pole. The northern latitude also lies in it. What is that? What is the northern hemisphere? That the area is between the equator, North Pole is called the northern hemisphere. It known as the north of the equator. There are 90 latitudes, 90 degrees latitudes in it, and the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees northern, lies in it, and that Arctic Circle is that 66.5 degrees northern pole. The northern altitude is also lies in it, and that southern hemisphere, the area between the equator, south pole is known as the southern hemisphere. It also known as the area of south of the equator. It also known as the south of the equator. There are 90 degree latitudes and in it, and the Tropic of Capricorn to 23.5 degrees on southern side lies in it. The Arctic Circle is that 66.5 degrees in north side. That is that latitudes. That is that latitude here na south nana 66.5 south side. North latitude also lies in it. That this is that about that northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, and that we have to, how many oceans are there? You know that most of the earth's surface consists water for that forms of oceans. The most water consists of the earth consists of water is called earth. In that earth, that water bodies are called oceans. The seas and oceans stretch in the hundreds of and thousands of kilometers. It's laid down the hundreds and thousands kilometers. Just endless water. We have to see to here. When we science goes to see, the water is sea. We can saw. That is the endless water. There are 4 great oceans are there. You know that with the what are that? Yes, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. What are that? Tell me. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. There are the 4 great oceans are there. How can we call the oceans? The earth has most of the earth surface consists of water, forms as oceans. It is formed from oceans. Seas and oceans stretch the hundreds and thousands kilometers of lay down. It is filled with the water only. It is called that oceans. We have 4 oceans, that is Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Yes, 4 oceans, 7 continents. Okay na? 7 continents, 4 oceans. The huge water bodies are called what we can call oceans. 4 oceans are there, 7 continents are there in our earth. That is that large water bodies or huge water bodies are called oceans. 7 continents, what are they? You know, again remember, Asia, Europe, Australia. Tell me. Australia, Antarctica, North America, South America. Yes, 7. One more time. Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, Antarctica, South America, North America. These are the 4 continents. 7 continents, 4 oceans. Pacific, Indian, Arctic. Tell me. Atlantic. Indian Ocean. 4 oceans, 7 continents are there. Now up to here we have to learn about we should learn up to page number 10. We have to know that page numbers, the second lesson we have to see that 9th page. Up to here first 10 page we have to finish. You should read and write the tables what are there and write the notes also. First lesson question answer should write in that page number. I am saying to you page number 7. First question. Collect different kinds of maps and study them. First question is that collect different kinds of maps and study them. If you have any doubts, clarify them with me. You have any doubts, you can mention the WhatsApp group and find out the distance from your mandal headquarters to the district headquarters by converting the map distance in actual distance. These are the 2 question answers giving to our worksheet. Our social worksheet, you should write and note down and send with the WhatsApp. Okay na children? Thank you.